Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to download DiDi application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store from your iPhone. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, tap on the search icon at the bottom right and go to the search box at the top. Type in DiDi and search. You will come across the search result, where you'll need to tap on the DiDi Rider app at the top of the screen. The application logo will look like this, so make sure you download the correct app. To download the app, tap on the Get button. Enter your Apple ID credentials or simply log in using your Face ID, and the download process should begin. DiDi is a transportation and delivery app similar to Uber and Lyft. It is particularly popular in Asia, Latin America, and other international markets. The application allows you to request rides, taxis, and even food delivery from your phone. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Once the installation is finished, tap on Open. And that's how you can easily download DiDi application on your iPhone. Allow necessary permission for the app and you will be good to go. So that is how you can easily download and install DiDi application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.